I mentioned the swatch panel used to be called a palette, but it's really a window. These are windows in our software. The window menu manages and controls the panels in the software. Here's where I should find my toolbar. Oh look, it's a strange looking window, but it's there. The toolbar, the control bar, my workspace, and then these are the specific panels. You'll notice that the specific panels are listed in what logic? It's alphabetical. If I say, hey, find the Pathfinder panel, you would go to the window menu. You should think a panel's a window. Go to the window menu, look for it alphabetically. There it is, Pathfinder. Click on it, it launches it. The window menu has the panels organized within it. And we know that the active panels, the ones that are turned on, have a check next to it. Those are the open panels. Let's go further down. Oh, check it out. Look what else is here. The libraries. There's the Swatch library that we were looking at earlier. And then check it out. At the bottom of this, it also organizes any open files, any open AI files. I haven't saved anything. That's why it says Untitled 1 and Untitled 2. But this is another way to jump to an open file. Right. The window area holds panels. Okay. The next menu is the view menu. And this holds visual aids. That's how I refer to it. A visual aid. A visual aid. It's not an object. It's a feature of the software that you can turn on and off that'll help you draw. Like a ruler. A ruler will help you draw. But you'll notice that it is, where's the ruler? Right here it is, rulers, right? Fancy ruler called the perspective grid, which we almost never work with, but we'll talk about that. Something called smart guides that I really like. I don't know if you've ever noticed, we haven't gone that far, but as we start making objects, it'll show these magenta lines that are helping you to align. Those are the smart guides. You can zoom in, zoom out, that's a visual aid. Let's see here. Outline mode and previews, different ways to look at the information, but grids at the bottom. Some of the most common visual aids are going to be show grid, which looks like this, and rulers, which we activated, show rulers, and guides. Those tend to be the most common ones. If you ever want to turn them off, you go to the same area, hide rulers, view guides, hide guide, and it'll deactivate that. The grid that was active, there's a feature called snap to grid, which will force the edges of the objects to align with it. So if you want something really precise and meticulous, that might be a good feature for you to work with. I'm going to hide the grid. The view menu holds visual aids. Oh, the bounding box is a visual aid, right? The bounding box is a visual aid. That's where we would find that.